If you're facing any issues while downloading the apps in App Store on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how you can easily fix. The first thing you need to do is, in case if you can't install the YouTube app, for example, you just long press, remove, delete the app first, and go back to App Store and again download the YouTube app. If you try this will work. In case if you try to resume, it won't work. The app will never download. Now the second thing you need to do is open settings, scroll down and open apps at the bottom, App Store, and here scroll down. Here just click the turn on mobile data and touch app download and click always allow. In case if you try to download the apps using your internet, I mean mobile internet, you need to select always allow. In default it will be selected to this option, ask if over 200 megabytes. So if the app was above 200, it won't download the app. So you need to select always allow and make sure these two options were turned on. Now finally still it doesn't work. You just quickly press and release the volume up button, down button, and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. So just keep holding. Okay, release that. If you see the Apple logo, release. Now check your problem solved or not. Definitely this time it will solve your issue. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, you need to watch this playlist.